welcome back to my channel, Clappy! Do you know cloud lamp? Well, I saw a lot of people making this lamp and it's really enjoyable and I love it. So today I decided to make this lamp and hope that I will do it successfully because yesterday I find out carefully how to make it. To make this lamp we have 5 main ingredients. The first one is white glue and water, food coloring to add some color in your lamp, and activate water or borax. And here I make it with water. And the most important thing that you have not forget is artificial snow. It's really important to make cloud lamp. Here I have 3 kilograms of white glue and I put all of this into the container. I love this part. This glue is so dense. It's more dense than other glue, so that I have to put some water inside. After mixing it carefully, now I will put food coloring inside it. Where is the color? Yeah! Wow! Can you see it? It looks like butter. Successfully, I put enough food coloring. So nice! And now it's time to activate. It becomes lamp. More activate. I have to use my hands to mixing it. Well, because I put a lot of activate and I think it failed. Look at this. This lamp looks like a salad, a cheese. But it's not sharp anymore. It's so cakey. I think we have to do it again. After doing it again, I done it successfully. Look at this. So soft. I think it's time for us to put the artificial snow inside. And now it's time to mix the artificial snow with water. I will use a half of this. And you can look at this. The snow is open out. Wow, so nice. And now it's time for me to pour the slime into the snow. I love it. Oh. I can't wait. Wow. Yes. I love the snow. I love the color of the slime. It looks like butter. And look at this. Wow, look at this. It's perfect. I like it. Wow. I need more. Yes. I think I will pour it to the table. It's so heavy actually. Whoa! Yes. Yes! Do you want some? Yeah. Yes. It's so heavy. I cannot take it out. Wow, I like it. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe us on Clappy and like this video. And I think it's time to say goodbye. I will continue to play with it. Bye bye.